back to my channel, beautiful people. So today's video is all about you packing with me for my vacation with my firstborn. I'm tired. I'm tired, Grace. I'm tired. So in today's video, I want to share with you packing. So for today's video, I got a little helper here, even though she's tired. It's time for her nap. Oh. I'm gonna have to do this again. This is currently nighttime now. I've fully changed. I already did my skincare routine, like no makeup here, because my child decided that she was gonna sleep all day. Poor thing, she's actually teething right now. I actually feel really bad for her. I'm letting her sleep longer and letting her breastfeed longer, even though it's killing me because she's 2 bottom teeth here and 2 more are coming up. Now it's a nighttime thing. For this video, I have a packing list, and I really made this video because I'm a first-time mom and I know it can be very overwhelming to travel with an infant. So I decided, like, you know what, I'm about to travel and I know how I feel. I'm sure other moms are feeling the same way. So if I can help with my tips and tricks on how to travel with an infant, like, why not? This is going to be my first flight with her, but I've traveled with her many times, so I kind of have an idea as to what to bring. I actually created a list that I will link down below. I made one with what I'm actually going to be packing. I should just put it on the screen, and a blank one so that if you have your own stuff, because not everyone is going to prioritize the same thing. Maybe you have your other stuff that you want. I just made you a packing list. The main focus will be clothing, food and accessories, important documents, toiletries, miscellaneous, and then the diaper bag and the plane ride. That's what I have planned for you guys today. So I'm going to share a little bit about the stuff that I'm bringing for my infant and why I'm bringing them. I hope this video is really helpful for especially new moms who are about to fly. First trick I have for you guys, as a military member, I'm able to check 3 bags with Air Canada, I believe. I'm actually bringing 4 bags because one of them is going to be presents for people, and then one is going to be mine and one's going to be Grace's. The other one is going to be actually carry-on, and the reason why I always put in this carry-on things that I know for a fact I'm going to need and that I don't want to get lost, because I've had my baggage lost for 24 hours, not that long, but you never know what can happen. So I put the most important thing in my carrier. I know that I'm mainly going there because I'm going to a baptism. I'm going to be putting Grace's clothes in there that she's going to be going to the baptism, my clothes that I'm going to be going there in the baptism, and then a pair of clothes just in case again it gets lost. So I have a pair of clothes there, and I have another pair of clothes, change of clothes in the diaper bag. So that just makes me feel like a little bit reassured that if worst case scenario that our bag get lost, at least she has 2 pairs of clothes. We have our clothes that we're gonna need for the actual event, and then we can afford to like wait for our baggage to be found if the case were to be. So that's my first tip. Make sure you put the most important thing in your carry-on bag. When you're going away for more than a week, these baskets are so useful. Like, you can get any basket, but I have these. I have a couple of these, and it's just useful to bring at least one of them so that you can put diapers in there, whatever you need that you're going to be carrying around to each room, so that it's just easier to grab whatever it is that you need when you need it. If you have to like go looking for a diaper, go looking for, you know what I mean, like, this is kind of useful. Put diapers, wipes, whatever, creams, whatever you need, and just bring it from room to room. This right here is the ultimate trick to packing a bag. What I'm going to do is each pocket is going to have an outfit and a diaper and whatever accessories that you need for it, and then one row will be for PJs, maybe other things like maybe extra t-shirts, extra socks and whatnot. But this I find is the best way to pack because it saves space, and also you're not like trying to figure out what the child's going to be wearing. You could just flip, flip, take it out and it's already done for you. So I saw this hack on TikTok and I absolutely love this. I've used this for the summer vacation. We left for about 3 weeks, and this time we're leaving for about the same amount of time, 3-4 weeks, and I found this very helpful. So this is what I'm going to be using to packing for my daughter. tip is with these, it already comes like this, right? So it's perfect for when you go into the public bathroom and you want to just lay it down. You can just do that. But I find it kind of gross sometimes to use change tables that are in the bathrooms. I don't know why, it just creeps me out. I bring an old like blanket that I'm going to put in there, and I just laid this down first and then I put that, so I feel a little bit better. You don't have to do that. I may be extra for doing that, but I just find it really gross. So this is enough, honestly. It's definitely enough, but I don't know, I'm gonna have to carry that with me after, and I find that I don't know, just icky. Bringing my food processor, not that big, so I'm definitely bringing it. I brought this shower thing. It's like a shower head. It's very useful and very fun. And this is the basket I was telling you guys about. So like I said, like I put some baby lotion in there, her nail clippers, like a little bit of an emergency bag here where it has a thermometer, nose sucker. There's some diapers, there's some cloth here, and some spray nasal for her nose here. There's some soap and shampoo. So yeah, just like little things that you know that you can bring. So I can bring this to the bathroom, I can bring this to my room, living room, and then people can just grab whatever they need. Also, I put her winter coat in there. I'm not gonna put it on her because it's gonna be too warm. And also you can't put babies in their winter coat in their car seat, and we're gonna be in the car seat a lot. So I'm just gonna dress her really warm, and she has a cover. So that's what we'll do. And then, so I'll zip this part. And in there's like socks, nylons and whatnot. And then here I put some stuff already, but I'm gonna fill this up more as the day approaches. But the first two tops are full of onesies and little onesies and diapers. Some outfits here in this row. So there's some cute outfits there too. So I'm gonna pack this up and put it here. I have her towel here. I'm gonna add her swimsuit, but I'm gonna add it later just because she has swim class on Monday. So I'll add that later. For the diaper bag, so I attached the wipes and the diaper, and then I have that cloth I was telling you guys about. And then in the diaper bag, I have diapers in there. I have a change of outfit. I have medicine in this pocket here. I have toys, lotion here, brush lotion, and her shusher is also there. And this is my carry-on where I'll have her outfit, her extra outfit, her outfit that she's gonna go to the baptism, my outfit that I'm gonna go to the baptism, then I'm gonna put makeup in this bag, and toiletries for me. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Like, it's honestly not that crazy. I'm also gonna pack my own bag. It's gonna be 3 of these, but really just the essential. This is all her clothes. This is gonna be her clothes. You're just gonna pull it out when you get to your hotel room or your parents' house or wherever you're staying. You just lay that there, and then this is already in a basket. So you know, there's not much, like, it's not gonna be all over the place. This is for bath time. This is for the kitchen. So it's like really organized. I hope you guys see that it's organized. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the video for today. I'm officially done for the night. I hope these tips were helpful. Like I said, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below for the packing list, and a blank page also for you to put your own stuff on it if you want to. All you gotta do is just print it out or download it and edit it on Canva. I hope this video was really helpful to you. I hope that you feel less overwhelmed by seeing how I packed. I hope that you don't feel you can't do this, because you can, mamas. Like, we're smart, we're capable, we're able to do this. So don't be afraid. If you want to go on that trip, visit family, or go somewhere hot or nice or whatever, do it. Don't be discouraged. You can do it. Just go on that vacation because you deserve it, and you should not let your kids stop you from going on vacation. So I hope this video was really helpful. See you next time.